tuned. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can win one of these awesome loot crates from lootcrate.com. This is Filmmasters, and on this episode, I've got a hot tip showing you how to use Dynamic Link from Premiere Pro CC into After Effects CC. Now, let's say, for example, we're doing an edit. So I've got my edit on the timeline. I can scroll through, for example. This is one of the reviews that I did. And what I want to do is I want to take this particular clip and do some work in After Effects with it. And it's nice and easy. Just right click on the clip. Let's go up to replace with After Effects composition. So select that. And one thing you'll notice is After Effects CC opens up. And the first thing it's going to do is going to ask us to name the composition. So I'm just going to call this Thanos Example and select Save. Now, once we've done that, it's going to import all of that information from the Premiere Pro timeline straight into Adobe's After Effects. So we can start playing around with it. Now, one thing you'll notice is the animation and so forth is still in there. It's all been brought over. So what you can do is do all your editing and set it all up. And then when you want to go in and do some individual work on a clip, you can do it that way. Now, if you have a look at some of the behind the scenes of, for example, Star Wars, you'll see that they make a rough cut. And you'll see there's a lot of inserts showing uncompleted special effects, I guess you could say. So one thing you could do is if you're going to be applying special effects to your edit, you can do all your editing first and then go into After Effects using this method and, for example, do your green screen work and stuff. And that way, you're only working on the actual clip and you're not doing excess work, if that makes sense. So let's say, for example, I'm going to add some text onto Thanos. So I just wrote Thanos in there. And now if I jump straight into Premiere Pro, you'll notice that it's automatically updated. So if I move around, the animation and so forth is still there. And what I can do is just press Control S to save. Now, another method is, let's say, for example, you no longer have Premiere Pro open, but you just want to work on individual clips. You can go into where you save that After Effects project file, and you can start working on that without Premiere Pro open. So that's another great feature of using After Effects and Premiere Pro together via Dynamic Link. So once you've done that, I'm just going to go back into Premiere Pro. I can keep on editing, and that's done. Now, that's just adding text. Obviously, you can add text in Premiere Pro. However, if you're wanting to do more effects in After Effects, for example, green screen work or doing some composition, then do it that way is probably going to be a way of saving time. Now, when it comes to special effects, for example, you pretty much are charged by frame. So let's say, for example, you're just editing this particular footage and you're wanting just those frames to be done. This is a good way of speeding up your workflow. So therefore, you're not doing extra work on other frames that may not even be used in the edit. So that's a quick hot tip on how to import and export files from the timeline from Premiere Pro straight into After Effects and back again, and also have the opportunity to go in there later on and keep on working on those After Effects files that you've saved as an After Effects composition. Now, if you want to become a Filmmasters sub, it's pretty simple. You can subscribe to the channel, you can like us on Facebook and or on Twitter, and until next time, don't just film it, master it. If you want to win a loot crate, which is a box full of geeky goodness, my gift to you for all of your support. Just like and comment on any video on this channel. A loot crate will be given away once a month, and make sure you're a subscriber so you don't miss out. Winners announced at the end of all new videos uploaded. To make sure you don't miss out, turn on the notification icon. Put a tick in the box to receive all notifications and select save. The more comments, the more chances you have to win. Good luck, and thanks for watching. Here's last month's winner from lootcrate.com. If you are the winner, private message me by going to the About in my homepage, send a message, and put in the following details: your name, postal address, shirt size in small, medium, or large.